Sarika Rana, updated, July 12, 2018 15:30 IST. Diabetes is one of the most common diseases that involves a range of metabolic disorders that cause a spike in blood sugar levels. It may trigger due to a genetic disposition, lifestyle or dietary habits. It is linked with numerous health conditions like obesity and a range of heart ailments. Diabetics often need to take care of their diet, considering it may help manage the condition better, if not cure it completely. Health experts suggest several natural remedies for managing diabetes. One of these methods involves the usage of Paneer Ke Phool, or also known as Indian rennet, Withania coagulans or Paneer Dota. Paneer Ke Phool is a flower that is native to India, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. It is known to have medicinal properties and is great for diabetics. Let's dig in deeper to understand how Paneer Ke Phool helps in managing this condition. If you are a diabetic, this might come handy to you. Paneer Ke Phool is a flower in the Solanaceae family that is majorly found in India and used in various medicines in Ayurveda. The fruits of the plant are sweet and are said to be sedative and diuretic properties. It is said to combat insomnia, nervous exhaustion, asthma and diabetes. Also read, 10 Best Diabetic-Friendly Recipes. How does Paneer Ke Phool help manage diabetes? According to macrobiotic nutritionist and health practitioner Shilpa Arora, this flower heals the beta cells of the pancreas for better utilization of insulin. If taken daily, even in small quantities, it could effectively manage high blood sugar levels. However, one must remember, there is no single food that can treat diabetes completely. There has to be a right balance for diabetics. Sugar and all refined foods like cookies, biscuits, breads and processed snacks need to be eliminated from the diet. A balanced healthy diet is critical with the addition of powerful healing foods like Paneer Ke Phool or Paneer Dota. According to dietitian Ritu Arora, it is a herb which is used for diabetic management. It has the abilities of not only regulating the insulin level inside our cells, but also repairs the beta cells of pancreas which are the producers of insulin. In diabetics, beta cells present in islets of Langerhans are damaged, hence type 2 diabetics' body is unable to produce insulin, which is why an outer source is required. This is where Paneer Ke Phool or Paneer Dota comes into play. Take 7 to 10 pieces of Paneer Ke Phool soaked overnight in water, then drink that stock on an empty stomach. We can surely control the insulin levels by drinking this extract and eating the right balanced diet. A study conducted by the National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, concluded that regular consumption of Withania coagulans for 30 days significantly improved glycemic status. Also read, How to Control Diabetes Naturally. 5 Remedies to do so. Paneer Ke Phool, what does Ayurveda suggest? As per Dr. Raman Kumar from Narang Street, Paneer Ke Phool is used in diabetes management. Take it in the form of kata. All you need to do is to take some Paneer Ke Phool and soak them in water for about 2 hours. Now boil the flowers in the same water in a saucepan to ensure that all the goodness has been extracted from the flower. Strain the water and drink it every day on an empty stomach. One can also use the powder that is available in medical stores. While Paneer Ke Phool can be used to combat a condition like diabetes, one should remember it is best to team it with exercise and a healthy balanced diet. Consult a doctor or an Ayurvedic expert before switching to this herb for managing diabetes.